Hello for all my dear students in grade 8. Let's start our science session for the units of some physical quantities as a revision. We'll start with the distance or length. As you can see here, what is the unit of distance? If we want to measure distance between any two objects, the distance unit may be kilometer or meter or decimeter or centimeter or millimeter. What is the difference between them, or how we can change from each one to the other one? It is so easy to change any one of them, but let us understand this one first. As you can see here, 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter, while 1 meter equals 10 decimeter, and 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. So we can conclude that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, while the last one is 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. If you want to change from any one to the next one, we just arrange them as you can see here. We start from the biggest one, kilometer, then meter, then decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter. If you want to change from big to small, times. If you want to do the opposite, from small to big unit, it will be divide. As you can see here as an example, kilometer to meter, it will be times 1000. While if you want to do the opposite, from meter to kilometer, it will be divide 1000. And it's the same here, from meter to decimeter, from big to small, it will be times 10. From decimeter to centimeter, also times 10. From centimeter to millimeter, it will be also times 10. The opposite, it will be divide, as you can see here down. Now, go to the next one, which is the time. What is the unit of time? The unit of time may be hour, and 1 hour, as we know, equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. If you want to change from hour to second, means from big to small, times. So 60 times 6 equals 3600 seconds. This is the unit of time. Now we finished the unit of distance and time. What about the also important, a very important unit, which is mass? What is the unit of mass? The unit of mass may be ton for the big amount of masses, which equals 1000 kilogram, and 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. So if you know the difference between them, let us complete this one here. We want to change ton to kilogram and kilogram to gram. How we change from each one to the other one? Just read this part up here. You can find it so easy to complete this easy question. Look at the answer here. That's it. Ton to kilogram times 1000. From kilogram to gram, also times 1000. From gram to kilogram, from small to big, it will be divide 1000. From kilogram to ton, it's also the same. It will be divide 1000. That's this part. I think it's so easy. Now, the second part, which is the relationship between two physical or any two physical quantities. We'll start with density. Density, we took it before, I think in grade 7 or grade 6, I can't remember. Density, as you can see here, equals mass over volume. The density, if any object have low density, it will float up. If it's high density, it will sink down. The rule here said that density equals mass over volume. Again, density equals mass over volume. I want to complete this one here, this table. As you can see, substance A, substance B, substance C, and D and F and E. Here the masses, okay, by gram, and the volume by centimeter cube. We want to find the density of each one. How? Who can help? Who can answer this one? Who can answer the the density of, who can find the density of substance A? Yes, that's it. Excellent. Density equals mass over volume equals 100 divide 10, so it will be 10. The next one, B. Also, if you want to find the density, it will be 90 divide 10 equals 9. The third one, 80 divide 10 equals 8. 70 divide 10 equals 7. 60 divide 10 equals 6. As you can see, the answer key here, and this one, this is the table. The answer, it will be 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. Okay, now go to the next part. If you want to find the relationship between any two physical quantities, they may be one of two, may be directly proportional or inversely proportional. What is the difference between them? It is very, very, very important to understand this part, because it's from the basics of physics. Directly means the two physical quantities increases together. For example, A and B, okay, the A increases, and so also B increases also. And when A decreases, B decreases also. In our example here, the density, okay, when the mass increases, the density also increases. When the mass decreases, the density also decreases. So as you can see here, increase together or decrease together. So we can conclude that there is the directly proportional between them, between the mass and density. If we want to draw it as a graph here, in this one, how we can draw it? As you can see here, the density 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the mass here 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Just to draw it as a point, then connect all the points together, we can find the result. It's like this shape here. It will be a straight line passes origin point. So it means, if you can see, or when you can see this line here, this is straight line that passes the origin point between any two physical quantities like density and mass here, this one, it means directly proportional. And this is the last part of our session today. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next time. Thanks a lot.